What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Cook with Cartea. Yeah, comfort food series. Y'all see, yeah, we still in there. So in that thumbnail, I know y'all seen today what we making. Yeah, jerk chicken one pot. Yeah, with the rice, the jerk chicken, we got a few vegetables. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So make sure y'all go ahead, get ready, so we can go ahead and get into this recipe. I'm gonna show y'all these ingredients, and we're gonna go ahead and get cooking. It's gonna be simple. It's gonna be easy. Like I said, it's a one pot. So that means we're gonna be putting everything and making everything in one pot. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all, so here go our ingredients laid out. Let's just go ahead, I'm gonna just point them out for y'all. So we got a couple seasoning, like I said, we're doing that jerk seasoning today. So we got that jerk seasoning, then we got that ground allspice. We got some more seasonings, but I don't gotta show you all, you know what I'm saying? We got all-purpose salt, pepper, stuff like that. We just gonna introduce them as we go. Now, we got onions right here, diced up in the front. We got some vegetables right here diced up. We got some green bell peppers, and then we got some red bell peppers. Then right here, yeah, we got that Scotch bonnet pepper. So we got a fresh lime right there in the front, and then we got our jasmine rice right here, about 2 cups of rice. Now right here, this that main ingredient, yeah, this the chicken. We're gonna be using chicken thighs. Now, we marinated this overnight. We marinated it in that jerk Walker's wood, marinade, some onions, and then some seasoning too. We seasoned that chicken, so this just packed with a bunch of flavor. And we're gonna get that chicken cooking first. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, so first thing we doing, like I said, we starting off, we're gonna start cooking that chicken first. That's gonna be the first thing we do. So we getting our pot up to temp. We're gonna start off at about a medium. Let's get some oil in there. Start to let that get hot. Like I said, get up to a medium, because when we put that chicken in there, we want that nice sizzle. Get that pan nice and hot. We on a medium. Let's get this chicken out of here. We're working with chicken thighs. I'll cook this chicken down, get some nice color on there. That's that spice. If you ain't sneezing, ain't enough season. We're gonna cook that chicken down about 3 to 5 minutes each side. I got about 4 chicken thighs in here. So we wanna get some nice color, and we wanna, you know, pretty much cook them through. They're not gonna take that long. Chicken thighs usually don't take that long to cook through anyway. So we got some good color on the chicken. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the chicken. Throw some chicken broth in here. Everything that's sitting at the bottom, that's nothing but flavor. All right, y'all, so we use that chicken broth to deglaze the bottom of that pot, get those flavors. We're gonna go ahead and start adding those vegetables in there. So we're gonna start off cooking those onions. We really, you know, we start off with the onions, let that flavor come up out of there. But now we're gonna come in, add those green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and those Scotch bonnet peppers too. So we're gonna add a little bit more heat. So just go ahead and get those in there, let those cook down too. All our vegetables, you know, they're just gonna absorb into that chicken broth, and you know that chicken flavor that we cooked down and picked up. So you're just letting all that absorb. And get some minced garlic going. Get that in there. You can use fresh garlic, or you can use garlic paste. Now we're gonna come in with, you know, pretty much all the seasonings that we're gonna use. Throw some salt in there, pepper, onion powder, some ground ginger, or you can use fresh chopped ginger, and then some dry thyme. And then, just to add a little smoky element, we'll come in with that smoked paprika. just a little bit of ground allspice. Because mind you, in that marinade, a lot of that flavor is still in here. So, we don't want to overdo it. We're going to taste as we go later. And even that chicken, you know, that's where all that flavor is coming from. Then, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. Roll that out, loosen up those juices. Squeeze that lime juice in there. Like I said, this is a 1 pot, y'all, so everything we doing is taking place in this pot. All right, y'all, so while we finish letting those vegetables and all that cook down, remember we got our chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and chop this chicken up. Yeah, look at that right there. So we're gonna chop this up, probably cube it. We're gonna dice it up, and then we're gonna get this in the pot too. See, we incorporated that. All right, so we was cooking on a medium heat. We getting up to a medium high now. Got that chicken, got the vegetables, everything in there. We're gonna get some chicken broth in here next. My serving size, it's about 2.5, 3 cups. Not measuring, sorry. And we're gonna get that heat up because we want to start to get this to a boil, because the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add that rice in there. Like I said, this is about 2 cups of rice. Look, no more ingredients, y'all. So everything is in this pot. We got the vegetables in there. We got the chicken in there. We got the rice in there. We got all our spices, all our seasoning. We got everything in there. So now we just gonna let it do its thing. We're gonna bring this up to a boil, and we just gonna cover it up. Oh. All right, y'all. So look, as y'all can see, we done cooking. That's the end. Quick, y'all see how easy it was. Now look, once you get that pot covered up, you want to bring it to a boil, like I said, for about 10 minutes. Once you get it to that boil, kill the heat, because we're gonna get to a simmer, so you can let that rice cook and pretty much finish everything off. And then you get to where we at now. Done. So it's time to go ahead and get this on the plate and get a taste test. So yeah, let's plate up. Alright, y'all, so here we are at the end. We got our 1 pot jerk chicken and rice. If it's cool with y'all like it's cool with me, let's go ahead and get a taste. Got some chicken on there, yeah, all that. Definitely got that kick. Look. Oh, it got a kick. Hey, if you can't handle that kick, throw some brown sugar in there. Yeah, pretty much just gonna calm it down. So there y'all have it. We got that jerk chicken and rice, 1 pot. Yeah, make sure y'all make this recipe, man. It's fire. Now, the reason that this recipe categorizes in that comfort food is because, like I said, we putting it in 1 pot. Easy dinner idea. Also, these jerk flavors, those spices, yeah, they gonna clear you up. So you got a little cold, you know, something like that, it's chilly outside, need something warm, those spices gonna warm you up. Now look, if y'all ain't seen the last recipe, make sure y'all go check it out, along with the other comfort food series recipes if you know you need some ideas. But like I said before, make sure y'all stay tuned, because we do got something special that we're doing for the holidays, because it's the season of giving. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Man, tell your friends, tune in, your family members, whoever. Let them know we making nothing but delicious, fire meals on this channel. So I appreciate the love like always, and I thank y'all for tuning in and showing love. Now, yet again, there's another one. This is a comfort food series recipe. Cook with Cartea. Y'all be safe, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.